Hey guys, so I'm planning to have a pizza, cake, and pasta. I still have a piece of cake in the fridge, and I ordered a garlic bread, 2 boxes which is my favorite in Domino's. And right now I'm going to cook a creamy pasta for me. Here. So I already chopped the ingredients. So I'm going to boil this. I think 5 minutes is enough because I still have to cook this with the sauce later. So yeah. I'm almost done with the sauce, and the pasta is already finished, ready, and I'm just waiting for the sauce. I'm going to transfer it after this. This is the finished product, guys. This is very creamy. So right now we're going to have the pasta together with the garlic bread. Domino's. I'm a type of person, guys, that it will be very hard for you to convince me when it comes to food, since I already tasted many types of food. So if I tasted the food once and if I don't like it, then of course, who wants to repeat if you won't like the food, right? So better I'll just make it. So I'm craving, so I just cooked it. I prepared it on my own. Better than spending money online. Mm. Wow. So creamy. Let's eat. Well, that's all for tonight. So see you again next time. Bye.